Okay, so this is so if you're working with videos and you bring one of your videos into the Korbyt system and you upload it and you get this warning. Okay, it needs to be at the most 5,000 kilobytes. I think that's what that stands for. So you need to transcode it. You say okay, and you can see right here this red exclamation point is screaming at you that this is honestly not going to play on Korbyt. So what do? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Handbrake, which I already have installed on my computer. And you'll see it gets this nice little drag and drop window. So I have all the videos that were sent to the Digital Sign user group in my downloads folder. And I'm going to bring one over and drop it into the file window. And you can see there it is. I'm going to open up the video tab right here. And down here under quality, there is a button that says average bit rate. I'm going to click that button. I'm going to change it to 5,000 because that was the max it said it would do. I am going to change my browsing window to my downloads folder. And I'm just going to put a 2 after this so it doesn't mess up the naming convention in here or overwrite anything. Save. And now I'm going to click encode. And you can see this is working down here. It's not going to take that long to do. Okay, and now when I go back to my downloads window, you can see here is the video that we just did. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Korbyt window back up that we were working in. And here you can still see I left the one that was bad in there. I'm going to bring over the new one and drop it in the window. And you can see there's no red exclamation point and there was no warning sign. So that's all you need to do to encode videos. The best practice would be if you were going to send a video to the Digital Sign user group or even to student activities to have uploaded. Please, please, please do this in advance and just send it over that way so that users don't have to take extra steps to post your content. Okay, thank you.